We visited Silver Springs Nature and Theme Park near Silver Springs, Florida in the summer of 2005. If you would like to get notices when I post again, be sure to subscribe right here. Just click on that button. This is the 5,000 acres that is covered by this park. It was opened in 1878 and had 14 movies filmed here over its course. But then it was closed in 2013 and bought by the state of Florida and is now called the Silver Springs State Park. It's not what we saw. The zoo has gone and much of what we saw is gone, but the boats still operate.
The next and last area we'll look at is Silver Springs. Near its entrance, it has an entrance, a shopping area, and the boat dock where we'll pick up the boat. The entrance is very well landscaped over a swamp. These are the type boats that they use. And you can see the shopping area and boat dock we looked at during a thunderstorm. The springs themselves are very deep and they open up in little openings or caves that come out into the water. As the grass waves in the water, but it's all underwater. None of it's on the surface. It just looks like it. The gardens areas, which we next looked at, are very interestingly landscaped. At Silver Springs were all sorts of wildlife. I'm right here. Deborah liked to play and look at the parrots, and one even gave her something. Got a feather, and where'd that feather come from?
The parrot gave it to me.
Which parrot?
One of the ones.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Deborah.
Just sit and stare. Sit and stare. Hello?
Just a minute.
Hey, baby. Thirsty.
Deborah also liked feeding the giraffe.
But by the time she was found and rescued out of it, now finally on this end down here next to me, this is Pugsley. These are little black vultures.
Next, let's explore bear country. Yeah, this one got in the water. There are wild alligators everywhere. And they really don't even mind being out in the rain. But if you want to see gators from all over the world, you have to go to Big Gator Lagoon.
We've heard that before. Ooh.
See him posing out there?
I see. He's about to attack.
I don't know. He's going to lay down and maybe he's making love.
Look. Look, I told you he was about to attack. Oh, they're fighting.
Look, they're attacking each other. Hey, come here. There's some more alligators.
A what?
A feather. He gave me a feather.
Well, that's nice of him.
Okay, good afternoon. My name
Next,
is
we'll be
Joyce.
headed off on a
Y'all
very
for the next
bumpy
12 to 15
Jeep
minutes.
Safari.
Near of you.
Won't see a whole lot, though. Well, that's about all you had at the Kingdom.
On your own right, there's Sylvan River. A sparkly thing popping up out of the ground there is actually cypress knees. Part of the root system. Kind of stabilizes Irish crane.
Can you take a picture of
He
that?
comes from India. And by the way, his name is Billy Ray Cyrus because he does sing a really pretty film.
But the main attraction at Silver Springs are the boat rides. We'll take the Fort King River Cruise historical one first. All the boats have areas where you can look under the water through the glass.
Heads out to her adventure.
Two's cat skull.
We'll pass an archaeological site where they're digging for fossils. A reconstructed Indian village.
And the word Cimarron evolved into Seminoles in order to build a fort. The year
Fort
was
King itself.
1827.
Reconstructed.
Their fort was 162 feet by 152 feet in size. And it was named this morning. We're going to stop in and say
We'll
hello.
even visit a reconstructed swamp community and see rhesus monkeys that run wild in the area. But the main rides on the boats leaves from the main dock and goes through the main spring and on up the Silver River, which is crystal clear water. We'll board one of our boats and head off. You'll be able to look through the glass bottom and see
In
the
Mammoth Spring alone,
animals and
now it
fish.
produces over 550 million gallons of water a day. It's enough water to supply New York City.
They'll hover over springs so you can get a better look at them. Springs are just holes in the ground. That's an 8-foot guard down there. The water's so clear.
Right here in this spring area. Lodge alligator guard.
You can see the water bubbling at the bottom of this one. The areas between the springs are shallow. And this is the main spring. We'll then take a wildlife cruise and look at some of the wildlife in the area. This is more of above water looking.
Well, anyway, this grass is edible, and they say it tastes like celery.
You'll see alligators and other animals.
How do you measure a gator? You measure from between his eyes to the tip of his nose. And they take
We're
you
heading
down
back
the
to the
Fort
dock.
King waterway, and that's on the left side of the island over there.
We were slowed down a little
Falling out of the tree.
by the rain when a heavy thunderstorm came in. But we just sat and watched the weather and had fun. And that ends our Silver Springs adventure.
Oh, they closed them in, then closed.